My main criteria was that the machine had to have a capacity of at least 1,000 bottles per hour, and that it should be automatically controlled. First, I contacted a company from Germany, who offered me an automatic filling and screwing machine, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment, was not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not manufacture this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. I had no luck finding a manufacturer for the bottle filling machine, so I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry, and maybe suggest another version of the machine. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with a Chinese intermediary supplying equipment, when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 3 days later I got 10 variants of different machines for filling plastic bottles from them, and an offer to make a choice by myself. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in my search for equipment. The last, third option of a middleman from Moscow turned out to be a good one for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, bottle size, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consultation he suggested an automatic machine for filling and capping plastic bottles, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the factory management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. A month after signing the contract, we received the machine for filling and screwing down bottles. The manager provided us with a manufacturer's warranty, equipment datasheet, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the machine and trained the workers, who would be assigned to the machine within a week. The equipment was made of quality stainless steel. White bottles in 2 streams on the conveyor belt came to be dosed with the drug from 2 dispensers. The tablets were dosed from vibrating chutes. The bottles went through the same dosing stage in the second hopper. The dispensing process was fully automated and controlled by an LCD screen system. I was satisfied with the bottle filling machine offered and supplied by a specialist in Moscow. The competent consultation saved me time and helped me to avoid mistakes I might have made if I had chosen the machine myself. It is hard to find professionals in the equipment supply business. I am very glad that in the end, I was lucky to meet such a person.